rule of Shewa. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. All right. What is rule of Shewa? Okay. Here we've had an example of a word that begins with a Shewa. Milakim. If we add the preposition to it, we're going to add the preposition, and for the exercise we were using lamed, with another Shewa. This creates a monster. We cannot have two Shewa. Well, wait a minute. Can you have two Shewas together in here in Hebrew? Yeah. If and only if the first is silent and the second is vocal. By definition, a Shewa at the beginning of the word must be a vocal. So we can't have two vocal Shewas together. This was vocal, M-lachim. This is vocal, L-M-lachim. We now have two vocal Shewas in a row. Can't do that. And the way they resolve the problem is by, say it again, da-da-da-da, rule of Shewa. Rule of Shewa. All right? Now, you already seem to know this. Rule of Shewa says, when you have two vocal Shewas together, how do you resolve it? The first one becomes a herek. This makes perfectly good sense. It becomes a herek. All right? The other way of expressing this is a little simpler. If you have two vocal Shewas together, you erase a dot. I erased a dot and a half. That's too much. You erase a dot. The first one becomes a herek. Don't ask me why. It just do. Okay? There you go. If you got two vocal Shewas, the first one goes to herek. I don't know if you can read this or not, but at least I can say I wrote it on the board. All right? This is two vocal Shewas together. First one goes to herek. All right? And here it is. All right? You've anticipated it. You can hardly wait. What happens here? Did you read this too? You guys are so darn smart. You read the book. What are you going to do here? All right. Adama means earth. We just had that, right? We want to say to earth. So we add our preposition. And again, plan A is to put a Shewa there, right? Right. All right. Put a Shewa there. Now, having done, you know, I got a 50-50 chance every time I touch that button. That's as tight as we can get it. Now do you see that we've created the same problem because we have two vocal Shewas, right? Right. It's the same problem. It's just that one of them happens to be a composite Shewa, okay? So what happens now? The first vowel has to change, but instead of going to herek, it's going to do what? Did you read this? It's going to go to whatever short vowel is there in the composite Shewa, which in this case is a pathak. Let me rewrite this one up front here, where I hope we can see it a little bit more clearly. What's our word? Adama. Can you see this? Man, do I yearn for chalk. All right, Adama. Can you still see that?